Hey, how come you never say anything? Okay, we came to know Rezt+Relax through a friend. So they recommended their workmanship, saying that it's really good. We straight away went to the Rezt+Relax. With 2 rounds of discussion, we signed a contract. So it's pretty fast kind of decision to us. Actually, the first week really impressive. Oh, I realized, this man got me. Knows what I want. Yeah, it's really nice, but it's very minor kind of adjustment. It's not a major kind of, yeah. It can meet my criteria lah. We can afford to it, so we sign on it.
Process was actually quite fast. I remember after we submitting the drawings to Alex and Fanny, they got back to us quite promptly, and we were quite impressed with the initial drawings.
And I'm really thankful for them. Is at last minute we have changes. They are able to fulfill our request to change according to our needs. Yeah.
So my favorite part of the house now is the living room. It is the heart and soul of the, I would say, the place. Because at the living room we can see the sea view. Then together we will have family time with the kids.
Actually, I love the design of the cabinet, the TV wall, because it conceals the wall, the door. They make it a very full panel of the design. Yeah.
And storage.
The storage, yeah.
Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised.
My favorite part is bedroom. Yeah, I still remember, I think my first sign up with them, my first requirement to them is that I want my bedroom to be very nice and cozy. Yeah, so I put it on quite concentrated on my master bedroom. Yeah, so I would like to have a walk-in wardrobe, though in a very small room. Yeah, they make it happen. I love it.
Killing time. Friday night, found a photograph of us.
I think I want to thank Fanny and Alex for their service. They've been very professional. They're also very quick to solve our issues that we have every time. Sometimes odd hours we contact them and they're still contactable. I'm very grateful for them to met them and for them to have serviced us to renovate this house.